Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Accounts Mantra. Today we are going to discuss the topic that is nominal GDP and real GDP. And what is nominal GDP? When GDP of a given year is estimated on the basis of price of the same year. Suppose this year is 2018. Then 2018, this year we are calculating or estimating the GDP. Then 2018 prices we are taking as the base. Then we call it as nominal GDP or current year. Now this 2020. Then 2020's prices of goods and services. We know what is GDP. The final value of all goods and services that are produced in the domestic territory of a country during a year. Then 2020 is the current year. The same current year prices of goods and services we are considering for estimating GDP. Then we call this nominal GDP or current year GDP. Then real GDP means when GDP of a given year is estimated on the basis of price of base year. That means the government they fixed one year as a base year. That means that year there is not too much fluctuations. That means not too much high prices or too low prices. That means that shows the equilibrium or the minimum level of prices of the particular year. That is 2011-12. The government fixed this year as the base year now. So on the basis of this base year 2011-12, we are calculating the GDP or estimating the GDP of the 2020. Then we call it is a real GDP. So when GDP of a given year is estimated on the basis of price of base year, then we call real GDP. Then in the case of nominal GDP, it can increase even without any increase in physical output as it is affected by change in prices also. So in the case of nominal or current GDP, it can increase. The GDP may increase even without any increase in physical output. That means suppose in 2020 GDP we are calculating, then 2019 that GDP is equal to that 6.4. Then 2020 this GDP is increased from 6.4 to 7 without increasing the production, without increasing the total output. That means 2019 also 1000 units produced and then 2020 also 1000. That means the physical output not change. That physical output is same. But then how this GDP increased from 6.4 to 7? Because of a price level changes. Price level changes. That means prices are increasing or the inflation. On the base of inflation or increase in prices, and this GDP is increasing from 6.4 to 7. So even without any increase in physical output, as it is affected by change in price also. If price inflation or inflation time or price increases time, this GDP, this nominal GDP is increasing. Then in nominal GDP calculating equation is equal to real GDP into price index by 100. Nominal GDP is equal to real GDP value into price index or the price deflator divided by 100. Then, but in the case of real GDP, it helps in determine the effect of increased production of goods and services and it is affected by change in physical output only. If 2011-12 we took as the base year and that year 6.4 is the GDP. and then 2019-20 this GDP shows 6.5 means this 0.5 difference that shows in GDP means it is only because of the change in physical output. That means the physical output of goods and services that increased. On that basis, this GDP increased from 6.4 to 6.5, not because of inflation. Then real GDP equation. How we can calculate real GDP? Real GDP is equal to nominal GDP divided by price index into 100. Nominal GDP divided by price index into 100 is equal representing that real GDP. Real GDP calculating formula. Then let's discuss one problem. If a real GDP is rupees 200 and price index with a base is equal to 100 is 110. Price index 110. Calculate nominal GDP. Then how we can calculate nominal GDP? Then here both real GDP 200 is given, and on that basis we calculate the nominal GDP. Here listen. In this case, real GDP is 200. Then equation you write real GDP is equal to nominal GDP divided by price index into 100. Real GDP 200. Nominal GDP we have to calculate. Nominal GDP divided by price index 110 into 100. This is the equation. Then nominal GDP is equal to 200 into 110 divided by 100. Then that is 220. Then here real GDP 200, this nominal GDP 220. So in this way we can calculate real GDP by using this formula. So I hope you understood this nominal GDP and real GDP. Nominal or current GDP based on the or estimated on the basis of the price of the same year. Then in the case of real GDP, that we estimated on the basis of the price of base year. One is current year, another one is base year. Base year, that is government fixed. Now this government taking 2011-12 was the base year for calculating GDP. I hope you understood. I will come with more videos. Until then, bye.